If you are unsure if you need new roofing in Carmel, Indiana, keep a few things in mind. Important factors like your roof's age, type, and maintenance history can affect its lifespan. One surefire sign you will need to replace your roof is visible damage to the shingles. While a few damaged or missing shingles aren't the end of the world, problems can begin when there's damage to more than just a few shingles. This can lead to leaks, or in severe cases, it can be a disaster waiting to happen. Another sign you might need a new roof is the presence of moss and mildew. While a little moss is inevitable with age, excess moss indicates a high level of moisture and can lead to water damage to not only your roof, but also your interior. Finally, replacing your roof is a smart idea for those who want to future-proof their new homes. So if you've recently moved, your roof might seem fine, but it may not be in the best shape underneath. Replacing your roof can ensure that you don't have to worry about roofing surprises for decades. If you need a reputable roofing team in Gas City, Indiana, please call Clemens Home Solutions at 765-358-7535 today.